is day 6. Yep, day 6. Yesterday I did the unzipped face one, which I'm really pleased with. Now I'm doing a neck one. As you can see, I've already outlined where I want my zip to go. I use that for using eyebrow pomade. You can use anything you want though. What you'll need for this video is these wooden tongue things, some sculpting gel, silicone, some fake blood. I use this Flesh Tones palette, which needs to be activated using alcohol, but you can, there is a Revolution paint one that you can please as well, and then just an old paintbrush. Also, you will need a zip and some lash glue to make sure that it sticks on. I left my lash glue over there, so when I go up to put my lash glue on, I will do. But for now, let's get into this. I'm going to take a bit of A and a bit of B of my sculpt gel and put them in an old bowl that I have here. You will need equal amounts of the A and B. And then you mix them together. Okay, that is all mixed together. All good, all good. Now you're going to apply this to your neck area, so in here. Take a bit of this and just apply it on. Now I'm going to take the hairdryer. Obviously you've got to be careful with the hairdryer because, like I did last time, you're going on your neck and your face, whichever one you're doing, so you've really got to be careful because you don't want to burn yourself. So I have like 2 heats on mine. I go on the lowest heat. If it gets too hot, take down the heat and just have it cold going on you. It just helps. And don't get the hairdryer to go really fierce either. I'm going to attempt to put my zip on. That's just come right off. Well, let me go get some more eyelash glue. Clearly this isn't working, and I'll come back in a minute. Got it on. Okay. Now I really can't move, so this isn't the best scenario. Okay. I'm going to take my Flesh Tones palette and I'm going to spray into there like rusty red, and I'm just gonna put that all over my now. I've just taken a deeper red colour, just trying to deepen it up. Now you can take your fake blood and, like on most of my things, you're just gonna dot it in. Okay, not really what I wanted, but you know, just gotta roll with it. Oh my, no, that went too low that time. Okay, I'll be back. Now I'm just going to spread this around. There we go. I'm done. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you tomorrow. It's not my last day tomorrow. Oh my god, it's my last day tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow for my favourite makeup look of them all. And so tune in at 5 o'clock to watch that because it's my absolute favourite and I hope it will be you guys' favourite as well. Thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.